Okay. Like I was saying, I'm back with the makeup videos. I know what you're thinking to yourself. Oh my God, she's back with makeup videos. What? Yeah, Mama gotta eat. And you've been only watching makeup videos. You're not watching my podcast. You're not watching my, even though I'm posting that consistently, so I can't even come for y'all. But I'm gonna still do my podcast. I'm gonna still do my talking videos like I said I was gonna do, my vlogs and whatnot. But I'm just gonna go back to doing makeup and cosplays because that's clearly what y'all want to see. And Mama's gotta eat, okay? Plus, people keep on emailing me for sponsorships, and I keep telling them I do not do cosplay and or makeup anymore. Like, I got a sponsorship for like this cosplay company, and I got a sponsorship for this eye contact company, and I'm just like, you're paying, yes, but I'm not doing that type of content anymore. I don't want to put it out, and people are gonna expect it. And then I finally got contacted for a wig sponsorship, and I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna put the content out because at this point, everybody wants me to do it. The universe wants me to do it. My emails want me to do it. People keep emailing me, either people from Douyin or from whatever I'm on. They keep emailing me to do these things, so I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so today we're gonna do. What do you think? What do you guys think we're gonna do? Not Douyin makeup, right? No, I'm literally gonna do the makeup from Drama. I'm gonna do Winter's makeup. Obviously, I don't know. That's what I'm doing today. I'm applying my concealer like I always do, like you guys know. Because once I get in front of the camera, I quickly would like to cover everything that looks crazy because I don't want to see it anymore, and I don't want to see it anymore. I also have a video lined up that's gonna be like how to do your makeup underneath like $20 because I literally only use this concealer nowadays and my powder and like a highlighting thing under my eyes. I don't really use that much makeup anymore because I stopped doing makeup videos, so I stopped doing my makeup. I literally stopped doing my makeup in like an actual real world. I just didn't care anymore. Now that I'm getting back into the craft, I'm gonna go buy more stuff and whatever, but I'm not gonna, you know, forget that I at one point literally was just using this concealer and this powder. I'm gonna show you guys how I was going about that and how I was still doing like, you know, the looks I was doing. To be honest, this is more of like a concealer for like spots and stuff. I'll be using this as fucking full coverage foundation because I just truly don't give it peachy. And it works, you know, it does what it has to do. It do what it has to does. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna just fully cover my face and I'm gonna come back with the base, okay? Okay, so I did the base. So my base, you guys always know I use the same powder. It's the same powder I've always been using. If you watch my channel, this thing is always so messy. If you watch my channel, you know I'm always using the same powder that gets the everywhere. And now I'm gonna put on my concealer underneath my eyes because you guys know I like to like rush through the whole makeup process for this because you know like the Douyin makeup, it's literally mostly just the eye makeup. It doesn't really matter what you do with the like overall, you know what I mean? It's mostly just the eye makeup. So I just gotta finish the eye makeup and finish the base makeup, and then when we get to the eyes, that's where it's like really everything's happening. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do the concealer, and you guys know I love concealer on my eyes because I like under my eyes looking as bright as possible for this look, because the more bright under your eyes look, the better the Douyin makeup will look, because it's gonna be a lot of like product there, and it's gonna be a lot of highlighting product there, and you want it to like start off with a good canvas, a good base of like something already bright. Better, yeah. So but yeah, this is literally my base. Like after this, that's basically it. And then I sometimes bronze when I feel like it. But yeah, this is just the base of everything that I do. This, I don't know how much this is, I have to look it up. But you don't really necessarily need it, to be honest. I just like to use it to really set the highlight and make it look super HD. Like, you know what I mean? This is our reference.
I know this isn't winter, okay?
Okay, so we're at the best part, which is the eye makeup. So right now we're just gonna go ahead and apply kind of like this pink all over everything. And for me personally, I don't really like to ever use like one pink. I always like layer it. So I start off with like a darker pink and I do it all over the top part, into the corners, all on the lid, just to give it like a nice little blushy look, because they're doing like this really blushy look, which I love. I'm obsessed with it. I don't really get the concepts like makeup whatever, because the concept is like so many different things. Like I thought it was dark, but then they did like light makeup, so I was like, okay, it's like dark contrasting light, and I love that. I love that like difference that the stylist decided to do with this. Then my reference flew away. I don't know if it's just me, but I literally need a reference when I do makeup. Like I won't even look at the reference. I just like it being there because I just want it there. We're gonna just scrunch our eyes up a little bit like this and just get our egg yolk out and just fill it with pink. And then after I layer the hot pink, I usually go in with a lighter pink or a peachy-ish kind of color, kind of like light like that, just to put a on top because then it will give it this like glowing. You see how it looks? Yes, it'll give it that. I don't even have to explain it. You can see it. But I'm just going to do it on the top. The bottom, I want it to be like that because it's going to go into the blush. So I need it to be darker. But I want the top to have kind of like a gradient kind of thing. I don't want it to just be one color. And I will really focus the gradient in the corner. But I put it all over because I don't really care. So yeah. After that, we're going to go ahead and go in with some glitter on top of that because I wanted to have like a little bit of glitter. You don't have to do glitter because it doesn't call for glitter. Like the actual look doesn't have any glitter in it, but I just love glitter. So I'm gonna put it in the middle, like right there, you see? Because when you focus it in the middle, it makes the eye look bigger and it looks really pretty. So just do that and kind of go upward, like a halo kind of thing, like up, you know? So it looks really pretty when you do that. And then just kind of like that. I use this one. I use a brown because I'm trying to make sure my finger doesn't look weird. But yeah, I use a brown because I just really like to use brown. You honestly could use black for this, but it looks like they have a smoky brown look going on. So I'm gonna use brown as I always do, and I just build up the darkness from the brown because I prefer to just go in with brown than black to do dark looks on my skin so it doesn't look too gaunt. I'm gonna start in the inner corner of our eye, and we're just gonna come down here. It's funny because I'm doing winter hair, but like I'm looking at Karina for reference because Winter doesn't have any darkness under her eyes. She kind of does like a light look, but I really want a dark look for this look. Like it brings more of the drama. So yeah, so we're gonna go with the pencil and just go in the inner. You see how nice and dark that looks, not too dark, and then we're gonna drag it down. As for the wing, I don't really wing out too much. I kind of just do like a little stop right there at the natural ending of your eye, like right there. And then I'm just gonna go into the corner as well up here and do that corner. Basically done, by the way, just in case you were wondering. We're done. It's very easy. I don't know, these makeup looks are so easy. When people like ask for like the doyen tutorials, it's so easy, guys. Like it just needs a little bit of practice and you're definitely gonna have it down in like 2 seconds. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put the mascara on first just so we can gauge the smokiness. I'm not gonna put any lashes because I don't have any lash glue. I forgot to get some because I was very gung-ho to get back on the internet and just start posting again, so I wasn't really thinking about that. Don't know why my accent suddenly changed like that, but hey. Yeah, so yeah, so no lashes. Just enjoy my regular, natural, thin, sparse lash. So I'm gonna put the mascara on and I'll come back. I don't like to just sit on the camera. Okay, so now that I did all of that, I'm just gonna go ahead and smoke out my eye like I said I wanted to. So I'm gonna use this like dark brown color that I have here, and I'm just gonna smoke out my eye with it. So yeah, I'm basically just gonna go where no man has gone before. Anyways, just want to do like a smoky look underneath the line that I drew, just so it can give it some drama. You see that? How like it makes it look more, yeah, I like that. I just want to add more drama to it. Even gonna add it on the end of this wing just so it can give it a little bit more drama, more smoke. You see how it does that? I really like that. I really like that. Really like that. And now we're gonna draw the egg side a little bit, just a little bit though, just like at the end over here, because to be honest, you don't need to do that much once you put it on correctly. I like to connect it. There was this one girl on Doing that I used to watch that literally helped me perfect doing this type of like under eye egg style kind of thing, and she would always draw hers in like a triangle type of way, and she would show you in the pictures that would be like a triangle. And it's a very good method to use so you can gauge how you draw the ending. And she would literally only do it in that one spot. Some people do it like all, you don't have to do that. You can just do it on the one ending. I'm doing it too much right now, oh my God. But yeah, you can just do it on the one ending. Katarina.
But your dad just calls me
Karina.
So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the glitter and I'm gonna do like a line of glitter. I was gonna use this other thing, but it's too much glitter. They don't have all that. So I'm just gonna use it right here in the corner like they usually do, and just kind of like do a little bit of glitter right there. That's basically the eye. I mean, you can see the difference in them. Do with that information that you will. I don't know what you will do with that information, but do with it what you will do with it. You know what I mean? So after I do that, I usually fill it in with my eyeliner just to make it look as bold as possible. But yeah, so you should just do that. Yeah, that's how I do my eyebrows. I'm gonna put a little bit more glitter so it can look more drama. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and then I'm gonna put the wig on and I'll come back. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, so basically, don't mind the wig, okay, you guys? I was in the middle of doing it, and then I realized I had to say something to you guys before I continued. But for the blush, I'm gonna show you guys how I did it really quickly. For their blush, it's like, it's gonna sound so weird, but their blush is really focused right here. Like it's in the middle and it just stays in the middle. Like I've been doing my blush like that a lot, but it's been circular. This isn't circular. It's like how you do blush like across the nose, but then you don't go across the nose. I think Winter's goes across the nose, but I don't want to go across the nose. I don't really like going across the nose with glitter with blush anymore. It just bothers me how it looks. But it's so weird because I'll go across the nose with like a bronzing kind of color to make it look like I have like a sunburn look. But yeah, I just don't like doing it with the blush. But yeah, so the blush is gonna be like that focused, and then it goes into your eyes, and then it's like that. Okay, so that's what I did with the blush. If you want to put it across your nose, you can. There's no hatred for, like, you know, I just don't personally want to do it. So I have completed the look. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it's pretty? Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. I think it looks really nice. I really like it. So if you guys really like it, you know what to do. I'll like the video, something like that. I really like it, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this like tutorial. I hope it was in depth. You know, my tutorials are usually kind of fast because like I tell you guys, it's all kind of the same thing. But yeah, I hope I embodied the drama. I mean, Winter kind of had like more of a bang situation going on, like a front bang and a swooped over bang thing. But I just don't have the energy anymore. I've been doing this for like 2 hours. You guys know I run out of energy fast, so this is all you're gonna get. All you're gonna get. I'm not gonna do an outfit change. Okay, that's my, I'm gonna do an outfit change, but you'll see in the thumbnail. I don't know. I don't think red is my color, TBH, but yeah, I think like honey browns and like things like that are my color. But it's still pretty. It's a good thing.